guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Nadine West. It's in a plain little bagger this time. It's normally in a bright pinkish purple bag. So they do give you a return label in case there's anything you don't want. Then on the back it tells you the prices of everything in case you want to keep it. So I'll set that aside for now. I'll insert pictures at the end with everything so that you can see it. Prices at the end with the pictures, I mean. So the first item is a pair of jeggings, and it has a really thick band to it. They're high-waisted with some buttons, a little zipper there. Those are pretty cool. Also have another pair of pants. This one has a belt with it. They look like on the back, all black. They feel very soft and stretchy too. It's nice. And I should have two tops, a dress, and a pair of jewelry, pair of earrings, necklace, something like that. So let's see. Normally I get a necklace, but I think the thing says I have earrings this time. So here's a black top. As you can see, it's pretty thin, a little see-through. And that one has a little knot or a little tie at the bottom there where it's gathered. And then, oh, this must be the dress. It's adorable. So the brand on this one is Sheila Rose. So that's the other top, was that brand as well. Crosses and ties in the front. And that's really cute. I like that a lot. Then we have pair of earrings. They always come in these little mesh baggies. I always make sure I save those. Sometimes I put little scent beads in them and put them in like my drawer or my car. Those are super cute. Rose gold with some diamond-like stones. I like those. And then the last one is a green top. Ooh, I like this. It looks comfy. I think I had it right the first time. There we go. It's just plain, and then the shoulders and the sleeves are cut out in this little crisscross pattern. Really thick. This one's thicker. It's like a really soft t-shirt material. Cool. So I will go ahead and insert the pictures and the prices of everything in this video. And if you guys are interested, I have a promo code below if you would like to join. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.